So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this Nigerian jollof rice and fried rice. So I firstly started by having my fresh vegetables, so mixed veg, and some mixed peppers and onion and garlic, and I've just seasoned it with some black pepper, some salt, some thyme, some onion granules, and some chicken bouillon seasoning. I just mixed this in and just put it in the fridge until I was ready for it. To a next bowl, I add again some onion granules, and I'm using a generous amount of this, some black pepper, some thyme. I'll be adding paprika as well, some table salt, and the chicken bouillon seasoning and curry powder, and I'll be mixing this in as well and setting it aside, and this will be for my jollof rice. The first seasoning that you saw with the mixed veg will be for my fried rice. I've just mixed that in, as I said, and set it aside. I then season my prawns with my spice mix and some jumbo seasoning. In my spice mix I have hot and spicy seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and seasoning salt, and I just mix that with the chicken bouillon, as you can see, and that will be for my fried rice. Now I'm prepping my vegetables for my jollof rice, and this is just red mixed peppers, and I'll be using 2 cans of tomatoes, garlic as well as onion, and then just blending this. I've also set my rice to boil until I was ready. To a pot, I then added some oil and left that to get hot, and then I added some garlics and some onions and just leave it to saute until it became fragrant. So now that it's fried off and it's caramelized, I went in with my tomato puree, and I'm just going to add this and mix it in and leave it to fry off until it becomes a very grainy texture, so something like this. And then I'm going in with my blended mix, which is my tomato and my red peppers and onion and garlic, and I'm just going to mix that in, add my seasoning mix that you saw me made in the beginning of the video. I added just half of it because I didn't want to over season, and if needed I would add in the end. So I let that fry off, and I added my chicken stock, and now I'm adding in my parboiled rice, and I'm just going to mix that in until it's incorporated in the blend, and I'll be covering that and leaving it to simmer. Once it's halfway through the simmering process, I'll be going in with some butter, as you would see in this clip, and then I'll be adding some foil to the top of the pot and covering that and leaving it to simmer on low heat for around 25 minutes. Now I'm moving over to my fried rice, and here I have some hot oil, and I'm just letting my rice fry off in this oil. You want to make sure that you're continuously stirring in between to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pot. I then went in with 2 chicken bouillon seasoning, 2 cubes, and I'll mix this into the rice again and continuously fry the rice until it is to my liking. And the same chicken stock that I've made from scratch that I used in the jollof rice, I'll be using it to cook this rice, so it is quite flavorful. For my chicken stock, I just boiled some chicken in the same seasoning blend that you saw me made earlier, and used it to cook the rice. Once the rice was 3/4 way its cooking process, I added some foil again to the top and just leave it to simmer until it was done. Then to a hot pot, I added my prawns that I seasoned earlier, and I'll be frying these off and removing them from the pot. I'll then add a small amount of oil back to the pot and we'll be frying off our vegetables, and we will fry this until there is no water at all in the pot because it needs to be quite dry when the rice is being added. So as you can see here, I've fried all the liquid out of the pot and I'm adding in my cooked rice, and I'll be incorporating that really well before adding back the prawns to the pot, and that will just be the end of my fried rice video and my jollof rice video. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Until then, peace, love, bye.